Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at your Kraken account, filled with cryptocurrency, wishing you could convert it into cold, hard cash? Well, you're not alone. Many people have faced this dilemma. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of cryptocurrency withdrawals and learn how to transfer money from your Kraken account to your bank. Context: before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why you might want to do this. There are several reasons why you might need to convert your cryptocurrency to fiat currency. Perhaps you need to pay bills, buy a car, or simply secure your funds in a more traditional financial institution. Whatever your reason, we've got you covered. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Kraken account. The first step is to log into your Kraken account. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Navigate to the funding section. Once you're logged in, look for the funding section. This is where you'll find options for deposits and withdrawals. Select Withdraw. Click on the Withdraw button. This will bring you to the withdrawal page. Choose your currency. Select the fiat currency you want to withdraw. This could be USD, Euro, or another supported currency. Enter your bank details. You'll need to provide your bank account information. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Specify the amount. Enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Make sure you're aware of any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits. Review and confirm. Double-check all the information you've entered. Once you're satisfied, click the Submit or Confirm button. Wait for processing. Kraken will process your withdrawal request. The processing time can vary depending on several factors, including the currency you're withdrawing and the bank's processing speed. Check your bank account. Once the withdrawal is complete, you should see the funds appear in your bank account. Additional tips. Security first. Always prioritize security when dealing with cryptocurrency withdrawals. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Fees and limits. Be aware of any fees associated with withdrawals. Kraken may charge a fee for certain withdrawal methods. Additionally, there may be minimum and maximum withdrawal limits. Processing times. Withdrawal processing times can vary. Be patient and allow sufficient time for the funds to reach your bank account. Currency exchange rates. If you're withdrawing a different currency than your Kraken account's base currency, be mindful of the exchange rate. Kraken will use the current market rate to convert your funds. Conclusion. Transferring money from your Kraken account to your bank account is a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the steps involved to ensure a smooth experience. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can confidently convert your cryptocurrency into fiat currency and access your funds as needed. Call to action. Have you ever encountered any challenges when withdrawing money from Kraken? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Kraken's customer support. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.